Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix stuttering and freezing in Rainbow Six Siege. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to the client that you got the Rainbow Six Siege. For me, particularly, is on Steam. And then you need to go to library, right click on it, go to properties, installed files, and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted game files that need to be fixed. So go ahead and do that, and then go to general and make sure to disable in-game overlay, right? And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, basically you need to disable full screen optimizations for your game. To do so, you need to right click on your game, go to manage, browse files, and then you need to scroll down until you see here Rainbow Six, and then you need to right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure to run this program into compatibility mode for Windows 8 and disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Press apply OK. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to basically go to and create a firewall exception and disable your Windows Defender firewall. To do so, you need to go to Windows Defender firewall, turn Windows Defender firewall on or off, and turn off firewall here. And after that, you need to go to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall, and then just press R, and you need to make sure that Rainbow Six is here and Rainbow Six Siege launcher is here. And if it's not, you need to add it manually. You need to just press allow another app, press browse, and then you need to go to your disk C. For me, it's program files x86. Then you need to go to Steam. Then you need to go to Steam apps, and then you need to go to common. And then you should see here the folder here, and then you need to add this application here and add. I already got it, so I don't need to add it here. But if you don't, you then create an exception for that. And also, if you're using third-party antivirus systems, applications like Avast, McAfee, or others, please disable them as well. It can cause the problem, right? And another thing that you can do here, you need to go to virus and threat protection. And then you need to go to manage settings here. Then you need to go to exclusions and press yes. And then you need to press on add an exclusion folder. And then you need to find the folder. It's on disk C, program files x86, then Steam, for me particularly. And then you need to go to Steam apps, common. And then you just need to add this folder here and select it. Right, and if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you can update your operating system and your GPU drivers. To do so, you need to just check for check for updates here, and you just need to press this button. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so and restart your computer. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU. I'm using NVIDIA GPU, so there is an app GeForce Experience. You can go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update, you need to download the latest one and install it. Then you can go to cog icon here and disable in-game overlay here as well. And if the problem still persists, then you need to go to graphics settings, and here you need to look for Rainbow Six, and then you need to basically press options and select high performance. And also what you need to do here, if you don't see the app here, you just need to go to browse, and the same process here is on Steam, Windows x86, Steam apps, common, and then here it will be the thing here. Right, and if the problem still persists, what you can do here is to basically delete shader cache. And to do so, if you're using NVIDIA, you just need to right click on it here, go to show more options, NVIDIA control panel, and then you need to go to manage 3D settings, and here it should be on global settings, shader cache, somewhere here. And what you need to do here is to basically disable shader cache, right? Press this button and then look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here basically is to go to run the game. And once you run the game, go to Task Manager. And let's say, for example, this is Rainbow Six Siege. You just need to right click on it, and then you need to go to details, and then you need to basically right click on it and then set priority to high here. And still, if the problem persists, sometimes capping basically your FPS can solve these problems. And to do so, you need to go to Documents, and then you need to go to My Games, Rainbow Six Siege, and here Game Settings, and then you should see here FPS somewhere. FPS. It's somewhere here. I don't see it though. But somewhere here should be FPS. So I will pause the video and I will show you what you need to do here. Yeah, so as you can see here, there is FPS limit. So what you can do here is to cap your FPS to your monitors. For me, it's 40, so I will do it to 40. But if yours is on 144 or on 60, you can cap it here and then save the changes, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.